set of
It's now live. We're doing it, team.
Okay. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, number 3, let me read a few questions. Which set of hypotheses is appropriate for addressing the research questions? I think it's C. Do you agree?
Yeah.
Okay. Question 4. What is the equation for computing the degree of freedom? I think it's C too.
Yes.
Okay. And what is the correct choice for degrees of freedom for this problem? I got the answers too.
I am.
You there, Kevin?
Yeah, I'm just trying to. I had to put this on my laptop because my computer is being stupid, and my laptop doesn't have Excel. So don't let me.
Okay.
I got you.
That's really loud. Can you do something about that, please?
Are you working on it?
Trying to.
And, I'm kind of confused about the expected counts and observed counts.
Like for question or
Expected count. Expected count is those columns and rows together or something?
It's the row total times the row column divided by the
Divided by the total?
the table.
The table?
Yeah. So for, if you're looking at your Excel or SPS you use, for row 1, you would take 450, so that's that column, and then 600, that's the row column. And then times those 1,000, which is
So 450 plus 600, is it?
times 600.
Times 600 divided by 1,000.
Yeah.
That's expected. That's expected count, right?
Yeah. Are you using Excel?
I'm sorry.
Or are you using the Excel file?
Yes, I am. It doesn't.
It says the expense account in there.
Oh, yes, yes. Yeah, I just try to figure out the concept. Anyway, so did you put those numbers in the Excel? Is it too for question 5?
Yeah, it is.
Okay. Shall we move on? Are you still working on that, Kevin?
Yeah, but I don't think it's gonna work very well. So you guys go ahead.
Okay. It's number 6. I think is the A.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
You want us to type the answer in the comments?
Be sure.
Number 7, I got a 16.204.
Okay, let me check.
Hey. Yeah, good. You are typing the answers. So
Yeah, for what we have.
So 16.204. Did you get the same answer, Tiffany?
Yeah. That's what I got.
Okay. Number 8 is 0. Number 8, what is the value of the p-value for this problem? Is 0. Okay, number 9 is A. Which of the following statements best describes the outcome of this study? So because it's smaller, so it's reject. Okay. Are you there, Ben and Kevin? Are you following?
Yeah, I think no, my p-value is wrong. Maybe I put it again.
Are you okay, Ben? Ben is just mute his microphone. Okay, cool. Be careful. Okay. Number 10, I think it's true. Do you agree? I didn't. Because, all bigger than 5 expected can't. Number 11, what are the degrees of freedom for this problem? Is 8.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Okay. Number 12, what is the value of the chi square test? Statistic for this problem is 7.436. Did you get the same, Kevin?
Yeah.
Okay. Number 13, what is the value of this p-value for this problem? Is 0.49. Same? Okay. Question 14. Which of the following statements best describes the outcome of this study? I think is. Do you think it's D? I choose D because is fail to reject. That means insufficient, right? Insufficient evidence.
The answer is B.
I go with
Insufficient to reject the null hypothesis, right? Just the motivation to visit is not independent. He said it's not. It's independent. It's not independent.
We wrote that one.
So if we reject, we will see there is a sufficient evidence to suggest that is not independent. If we reject, right?
yes.
But if we fail to reject, that means the opposite.
Then it's
It's still not independent.
yeah. You also when it comes to that, they're going to be insufficient.
Okay. Okay. Let me. I select B. Let me submit mine, and then we will see. Okay, I got 100. Guys, go ahead.
Cool.
Good job, guys.
Okay. So any other questions?
Nope.
You good?
Tiffany, are you going to finish the answer on the discussion board? Type there.
Does anyone need
I don't know if a bang needed. If you don't mind,